Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Wix for website themes and templates, business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see now, you can start with chat AI. So it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. So you have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can set up your website easy and quick. Also, you can set up without AI, so you can go to basic setup. And for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Now you can search for your business or your website type. Okay, now you can select your business type, for example, website designer. Enter your website name. Here if you wanna add something to your site. Now let's go to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let UX create a site for you or customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Now as you see, you can add your information here, your name, your business name, your email, your address, your phone, and also you can add the social link. And here you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme at your business. So you can try your best to make your site look structured. Like the simple details like the themes and like the colors, it's more important to make your site look structured to attract more customers to your website. You can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now if you wanna add pages to your site, you can add them, you can skip all this, and you can customize them later. Now let's continue. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. Okay, so as you see here, this is the editor page. You can add elements, you can add sections, you can add page and menus, you can design the site, you can add apps, manage your business. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from here. You can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also, if you want to customize, if you want to upload images or import images or explore images free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Here if you want to customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, or the image buttons, the icon buttons, whatever you like. Okay, and also you can search here on whatever you like for the themed buttons. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. If you want to add something new, you can add section, for example. You can just select the type of the section. Okay, you can just select the type of the section, the style, and your favorite design, and that's it. So let's move on now to the next step. So here, if you want to customize your site design, you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, or the page transitions. So that's it. Now let's move on to the first section. Here we have the header section. So you can do a quick edit. For example, if you want to edit or customize your site name, your website name. Also, you can change the strip background. You can manage the menu. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the welcome section. Okay, so as you see now, you can change the section background, the strip background, the title, the paragraph, the second paragraph. Okay, for example, you can just if you want to change this paragraph right here, just click on it, and you have just to describe what you want in your text. You can select the type of this section. For example, this is the welcome section. You have to insert information to include here, and like this, it's gonna create it for you. Now you can make it shorter, you can generate another one. So that's it. Also, if you want to edit the text, you can change the style, you can change the font. Okay, so now let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery section. You can manage media if you want. You can add from your library. Okay, you can add more media, for example, image or video. Just search here on whatever you like, for example, website themes. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. This is about section. Okay, so as you see now, you can create another AI text. Just describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna create it for you. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the services section. Okay, as you see, you can add more services if you want to manage service. So now let's move on to the next section. This is the features section. So the same thing as normal. If you want to change this image right here, also you can customize and change this font right here. So that's it. This is the last section here, the feature section. You have just to manage or customize your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save this editor page from here, and after this, if you want to publish your website, you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.